Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about social media and online life, a topic that's absolutely central to modern communication, culture, and even professional life. Social media platforms each have their own culture and vocabulary. Instagram is primarily visual, photos, and short videos. YouTube focuses on longer video content. TikTok is short-form video, often entertaining or educational. LinkedIn is professional networking. And X, formerly Twitter, is text-based, fast-moving commentary and news. Content on social media takes many forms. A post is any piece of content you share. A reel or clip is a short video. A story is a temporary post that disappears after 24 hours. A thread is a series of connected posts. And going live means streaming in real time to your audience. Engagement is one of the most important metrics in social media. Engagement means the interactions your content receives, likes, comments, shares, and saves. High engagement tells the algorithm, the system that decides what content gets shown to more people, that your content is valuable. You might say, the engagement on that post was incredible. It reached people who don't even follow me. Organic growth means building an audience without paid advertising. Going viral means a piece of content spreads very widely, very quickly, often reaching millions of people who weren't previously followers. You might say, I posted a short clip and it went viral overnight. I gained 50,000 followers in a week. Privacy and safety are important conversations. Your digital footprint is the trail of data you leave online. Every post, like, search, and comment. You might say, I've been going through my privacy settings. I don't want just anyone seeing my posts. Today, we covered platforms, content types, engagement, the algorithm, and privacy. Social media is a powerful tool. Understanding its language helps you use it wisely. See you next time.